Yeah, you can, even though the sun's not out today, it's still, you can tell that the river is, I won't call it muddy, but it's definitely heavily stained, which sometimes that'll work in your favor, especially using artificial bait. It's still sprinkling a little bit. Some of the best fishing I've ever done was on a day like today, sprinkling on and off. This is a local tournament, shad tournament. It's benefiting Jessica Harold. I think she's fighting cancer. April 16th. First prize $400. Second prize $250. Third prize $100. Big fish $200. It's pretty good. And all the money goes to help this lady. Registration looks like $40 per team. Let's ride to Gaston boat ramp and see what the potholes look like, because I'm charging my boat. I'm subject to go fishing tomorrow. Yes, right, much clearer up here than it is at Weldon. When the river hadn't been this high in 6 or 8 months, all the sticks, leaves, trash gets picked up by the current, and you kind of get this. So this is just a quick update, because the river has changed. I am seeing a lot of shad jumping every now and then. I can't get them on camera, but you see them out of the corner of your eye, and it's shad. Yeah, I might have to slide down here tomorrow to see what's happening in Potholes. I'm really not interested in shad. Not a single boat down here today at Gaston. And last week I rode all the way to Jackson, North Carolina, to the brand new boat ramp that could probably cost at least $1 million. And there was one boat trailer there. The people I spoke to at Weldon boat ramp last week, I was surprised at how many didn't know about this boat ramp, Gaston. So if they don't know about Gaston, they probably don't know about the Weldon boat access that's brand new. Starting to rain again. It's going to stop tonight. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty clear, close to 70. I may have to check them out. Yeah, you can see the potholes. It's plenty deep. Last time I went last week here, it won't but 10,000. Now it's 14,000. You can see how much rain we got. It's not as muddy as it was in Weldon. Potholes stays pretty clean anyway because it's not very much trash and sand and dirt that gets washed into the potholes. I'm tempted to actually break with tradition and buy some minnows and see if I can find some shell crackers or crappie.